Did you know there's a place in France where the Earth itself is still killing people, more than a century after World War I ended? The Zone Rouge, 460 square miles of land so poisoned that humans are banned from entering. Beneath the soil lie 300 million unexploded shells, grenades, chemical weapons, all waiting. The ground is saturated with arsenic, lead, and mercury. Underground lakes of poison gas create toxic water that seeps through the earth. Every year, farmers working fields outside the zone die when their plows hit century-old bombs. They call it the Iron Harvest. Shell fragments and human bones constantly push up through the soil as if the earth is trying to expel the horror buried within it. In some areas, the contamination is so severe that nothing can grow. Just barren wasteland where soldiers once died in chemical hell. The French government estimates it will take 300 to 700 more years to clear the contamination. A century later, World War I is still claiming victims. The Zone Rouge remains a monument to mankind's capacity for creating hell on Earth.